Hello, all automation lovers. I'm trying to share my skills and the most practical user Siemens PLC programming. So please subscribe and share my videos. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a single instant function block and multiple instant function block and also their usages. On part 1, I done for the single instant. On this one, I will do the multiple instant function block. Multiple instant function block is just like adding some features on the single instant or on an standard function block. Okay, let's do that on this one. Create a function block, insert, let's say it's 100, and also this must be okay, it's multi-instant capability. Okay, okay, let's create the local variables first. Okay, I want to start from sensors. So let's add sensor 1, that one. Sensor 1 is a boolean. Sensor 2 for stopping. Okay. Thermal overload. Star to delta time. Transition time is 5 times. And start delta timer. Timer. This is timer. Okay, good. For saving time, let's add okay on the static. Let's add a variable start delta starter. So the data type will be a function block. This is the main difference here. We are adding a function block as a local variable for function block 100. That one we create is 10. This one 10. So I am taking this function block as a local variable for function block 100. Okay, good. That's one difference here. The other is I want to delay on starting and stopping the motors. So let's add delay to start. So I will add here also a data type system function block. That system function block to start is system function block 4. It's only standard. Okay, sorry. This one. Okay. So I added one for to stop. Also, I need to delay again. So I will add the system function block for. Okay, good. On the temporary, let's add some variables again. Start motor boolean stop motor. Okay, this is also boolean. So I have finished creating the local variables. Let's see the overall once again. On the input, I've added those variables, and on the output I have added this: the main contactor, the star contactor, the delta contactor, and the indicator lamp on the suffix, the function block that we have created for single instance, the standard function block for delay. So it looks like this one. And on the temporary, I have added two variables for the start and good. Now let's go to the creating the program. Okay. So let's add one delay to start pump. So when sensor 1 sees, so after sensor 1 is active, there will be little delay. So I am doing that now. So on this one, start delay. This one. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Delay to start. Okay. This one is for sensor 1. I want to start the motor by sensor 1. Okay. And the delay time will be time for 3 seconds. After sensor 1 is active, the motor will start after 3 seconds. So the variable is only temporary. Okay, let's add for the stopping. So also to stop, the motor will stop after sensor 2 is active. That's what I am doing now. Okay, this one. Delay to stop. So this will be sensor 2. And delay time will be less time for seconds. And the output will be stop motor. Okay, good. So we are here adding some features on our single instant function block. So let's add one network, and this is to start the pump. Sorry. So that's starting motor. So our function is the single instant, so we have to add this one, star to delta. So you see, it will bring out the single instance parameter here. So let's edit this again. Okay, start motor, stop motor, and this one overload, thermal overload, and this is S5 time. And here is the timer. Okay, on the output I will do this one, the main conductor here, and the star conductor and the delta conductor. Okay, so the parameters for the single instant here. So let's add one, network, this one is indicator lamp. So if the motor is running, it will give light. Running. Okay, this is going to be, if the main conductor is active, so it will give indicator lamp here. Okay, I'm done creating the multi-instant function block. That's why here we say multi-instant, or just like nesting the function blocks or adding as another function blocks and adding some feature. So I have created that here now. As you see, it looks like this one. Okay, let's close this one and start using that one. Okay, let's create one function that's do for the, let's say this one 200 melted instant fc. Okay, so this will a little bit different from the single one. Let's say pump one. Let's call our multi-instant function. Let's say this one db 100 single instant. So this one has some additional features from the single instant. We added some variables here, indicator lamp and the also here sensor. So it's different from single instant. So let's, the sensor one is connected to input 10.0 and the stop sensor 2 is connected to 10.1 and the overload will be 10.2, and here the start time will be, let's say 4 seconds, the start transition time, and here timer 10. Okay, on this one the output is connected to 10 0, Q10 1, Q10 2, 10 3. Okay, done for the pump 1. Let's add for pump 2. So if you have many pumps, you can use function block, this function block. So it will save time and make programming easy. Okay, let's call our function instant. Let's say this one 20 db 20. These instant function blocks dbs must be different for each. As you see, here is 100 and here is 20. Okay, since R1 is connected for motor 2, let's say Q20 0, Q2, and the transition time will be, let's say, 5 seconds. And this will be timer 20. Also the timer must be defined unless the time will be disturbing. So the output will be connected to 20 0, Q21, Q20.2, and the indicator lamp will be 20.3. Okay, done. Let's add this on our OB1. Okay, function 200. Great. Let's simulate in the C the working of this one. Okay, and what is from 10, this one 20. Okay, let's load the program. Sorry, again this one. Okay, let's open our functions that control our pumps. Okay, so it looks like this. So let's start motor 1. It's connected to 10 0. As you see, the start delta is not changing because there is a delay. Now it starts. So after 4 seconds it changes to delta. That's good. Okay, but pump 2 is not running, so pump 1's parameters are not disturbing for pump 2. That's great because we give all parameters correctly. Okay, let's stop again. So let's stop, then it will be some delay on the stopping also because I add some delay. As you see, it's not stopping. Okay, now it stopped because we have added some delay on the stopping when we open on our single instant. So as you see, I have added for starting there is 3 seconds, for stopping 4 seconds. Great. For pump 2, let's start again since R1 is active. So pump is not starting, some delay are there. Okay, I think the delay is too long. Sorry. Okay, I have made mistake on the program. This must be input.